Hello my origami friends, I'm very happy that you clicked on my video. In today's video, I will show you how to make a beautiful card that you can give to your mother and grandmother for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is approaching, so try to surprise your wife, mother or grandmother with a handmade card. This origami is very simple and anyone can make it. All you need is a square sheet of paper, scissors, glue and some crayons or just a regular pen. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you very much. So, as I said, all you need is a square sheet of paper, scissors, glue and some crayons or just a regular pen. It depends on how creative you are. An infinite card is a type of origami card that has 4 faces that can be rotated to reveal different messages or images. It's a fun and creative way to make a personalized card for Mother's Day. Origami is a fun and creative activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It's a great way to spend time with family and friends, so start! Origami is an interesting hobby that you can start at any time. The advantage is that it costs almost nothing. Almost everyone has a piece of paper at home. And let me tell you some information about Mother's Day. Mother's Day is a holiday celebrated annually on the second Sunday of May. It is a day that commemorates motherhood and appreciates all mothers and mother figures, including grandmothers, great-grandmothers, stepmothers, and foster mothers, as well as their contribution to society. It's celebrated in many countries around the world, including the United States, Canada, Australia, India, in Europe, among others. We still have to glue the last 2 parts together and we can start the creative part of this card. So, we've glued the parts together nicely and now it's time for you and for your creativity. You can write your personal text directly for your mother in the wish. For example, some shared experiences that you like to remember, some event that you want to remind your mother of. You can write why you value your mother so much that you are glad to have her. There are no limits to creativity. You can color the card as you like, draw flowers, hearts, and so on. I chose a general text that is universal for all mothers, but I'm sure that if you choose something more personal, you will make your mother very happy. So I hope that you succeeded in origami and that you will make your mother very happy with your card. Let me know in the comments. It will make me very happy. Origami is fun, so let's build an origami family together. Support my channel by subscribing and with your like. And if you are looking for other inspiration for Mother's Day, you will find lots of ideas on what you can make out of paper in this video. So definitely don't hesitate and click on this video. Thank you so much for being you.